I've been looking for a better office chair that doesn't break the bank, but still comfortable for long work sessions. Since I work remotely a few days a week, I spend a good amount of time sitting at my desk. So while browsing on Amazon, I came across this chair that had mostly positive reviews and seemed like a solid option. So the chair is a PatioMage Ergonomic Office Chair that seems to be the name. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Just so you know, this is not an affiliate link, so everything I say about this chair is actually based on entirely on my own experience. First of all, the chair arrived in good condition with no damaged parts, so the packaging gets my approval, even though the box looked a little beaten up on the outside. That's pretty much normal for shipping. What matters the most is that the chair itself arrived without any issues. Later on, I did break one of the plastic sleeves on the chair leg, but that was completely my fault. You can actually see that earlier in the video I dropped a small package. That's actually the legs, and there is some plastic sleeves on the legs, and I broke a small piece, small part of it. But it's not something that it's gonna make the chair not function. So, but it was completely my fault. Anyways, assembly took me just under an hour while recording. But I think most people would get this done in around like 30 minutes without any distractions. As for the build quality, I think it's pretty good. I can't really complain, especially considering the price. Overall, it feels like a solid chair and offers a good value for the money. Most of the chair is made out of plastic, so I think that's pretty standard for chairs at this price range. The PatioMage company claims this chair can fit people up to 6'5", but I'm not sure how comfortable it would be for, people that tall. I'm 5'10", and I already have the lumbar support adjusted all the way up, and that's how I like it. It's good for me, but I think if it would be a little bit taller, it would be better. So that's why I'm saying that I don't know how it would be for taller people. But for my size, I think it's good. So one thing I can say about this chair is that it would work very well with wider people because it allows the side arms to expand sideways, and it's also on the wider side. Um, so the armrests don't quite adjust as narrow as I would like it. As I mentioned, I'm 5'10" and around 170 pounds. And if the armrest could move about 1 inch closer to my body on each side, the fit would be perfect. But that's not the case, so that's why I think, it would fit most people. I mean, it fits me. It's just not the best, I would say. The chair is also very adjustable. You can adjust the seat depth, the armrest, the lumbar support, and the headrest. You can move it up and down, making it easy, to find a comfortable position. My only complaint is that the armrests move a little bit too easily. So you can push the chair from the armrest and move the position that you had. So even if it bumps on your desk, it can move depending on where it bumped. But I don't think that's too much of an issue because just as easily you can move it back to where it was. But that would be one of the, one complaint I would have about this chair. Other than that, all the adjustments are very good and they work exactly as I would expect.
Storms on the roof, secrets whispered, bulletproof. We build worlds out of steel. Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away, if just for a moment, if just for a day. We can drive past the signs, over the borders of our mind. 'Cause today's a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that away? Can we stay? Let's just stay. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine, you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. There's a wonderful world beneath the concrete. We can dance all night and break the concrete. And flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Don't forget what's beneath the concrete. It's coming through the cracks and through the concrete. We can dance all night and break the concrete. And flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Today's a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that away? Can we stay? Let's just stay. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine. And you were mine, you were mine. The world outside can fall apart. I don't care, as long as I can have your heart. 'Cause you have mine, you have mine.
I've owned this chair for more than 2 months now, and I can honestly say that I find it comfortable to work long hours, and I don't experience any pain or fatigue that you would normally experience on those bucket chairs or any chair that is not really designed for long use, or like the typical gaming chairs. That said, I would only buy this chair again if it was around the 170 price point, because I checked the price once again and it seems to be around 350 normally, because I got this chair on a discount. There is occasional discounts, and but the original price is like 350. At that price, I'm not completely convinced it offers the same value. So for around 270 though, I think it's a solid buy, but that I would comfortably recommend. But for the normal price, I'm not sure though. That's something you'd have to consider. but I don't think I would pay $350 for this chair. But that's it. That's it for the review. It's a solid chair for around even 270. So even less than 300. As long as you get it for less than 300, with the occasional discounts, I think it's a good buy. So if you like to try it, give it a go. I think they have good returns, but I'm not returning mine. I think I'm very happy with it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys around. Bye.